Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover the list of the kinds of phrases. In short, this video is not an explanatory video, but this video should be taken as the content of whatever will be produced in the upcoming videos in the playlist, so you have an idea that what all will be covered under the kinds of phrases. I have already made a video on the basic explanation to phrases that can be seen in the link that's given in the description box. So all the important playlist will be linked down in the description box, like that of clauses, etc. So please consider liking the video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. The list of the kinds of phrases that will be covered under this playlist: verb phrase, noun phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, prepositional phrase, infinitive phrase, participle phrase, and the last is gerund phrase. So we'll cover all these 8 kinds of phrases under this playlist, and I'll give you a very deep and interesting explanation of all the kinds of phrases. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you got an idea of whatever will be covered under this playlist. So I request you to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. Keep learning and keep growing.